at Prestige Institute of Management Devas is having our post-graduation course MBA. MBA is having 120 seats and it is approved by AICTE and affiliated to Vikram University, Ujjain. The basic and the quality of this course, which is associated with Prestige Institute of Management Devas, is that we are having CBCS, that is choice-based credit system, in which a student gets a chance to select the subjects of his own choice. Best advantage which we are having sitting at Devas is that we are sitting in an industrial belt, and in this industrial belt we are having a communication rapport with the industries, so that what is going on in the industry a student can learn out with full capacity. We go to the industry peoples, ask them what is the real need of today's generation, and we teach and inculcate all those skills into the students so that they will be able to be an industry ready performer. We have practical exposures like regular industrial visits, workshops, seminars, conferences like international and national conferences on different subjects related to international markets, subjects related to the general markets, mechanical markets, and we are motivating all kinds of skill sets. When we are talking about skill sets, we are talking about all skills named as leadership skill. We are talking about decision making skill, because what a manager do? Manager is take decisions, and decision plays their most important vital role in organizing any industry. And the most important thing which has been expected from a student or a management trainee is to take right decision at the right time. We also inculcate soft skills. We have team working skills so that he will be able to do all the kind of jobs in teamwork. Analytical skill is again a very important part of their life and their course curriculum. Extramural lectures are a series which we perform in our organization, where people from industry will come and teach the regular and the important trends which are there in the industry workable today. So the student, when comes out of the institute, is totally industry ready. Our faculty and team is having a combination of industrial exposure as well as academics. So we offer students the skill sets which they require, which is specialized in terms of marketing, in terms of systems designs, in terms of cloud computing, the new eras which are emerging up in the society, the global exposure, and all those things which we are going to provide them is our world class, and they are ready to serve in the industry, and they have their feather in their caps. So Prestige is proud to be associated with this city named as Devas, and I must tell you that in Devas, Prestige is the only college which offers Master of Business Administration, and we are proud to say that we are having so many students who are working in very senior positions in the organization, and they are serving, keeping our name in the high skies.